Hi, it's Dr. Centeno, and we're going to talk today about how do orthobiologics work. So orthobiologics are things like platelet-rich plasma, which is when we take your blood and we produce concentrated platelets, or autologous stem cell therapies like bone marrow concentrate, or other things. So what's the general concept behind how this stuff works? Well, basically that's simple. The concept is that these products can help damaged areas heal. So how does PRP work? If we focus in on platelet-rich plasma, PRP has growth factors and other things that amplify healing. So this is a little bit like an espresso shot for the local repair response. So it's like we're in a construction site and we bring all the workers triple espressos and they get more work done. So this makes those cells work harder and longer. And how do stem cells work? A little differently. So basically, they act as a general contractor for the repair job, and they tell other cells what to do, call them subcontractor cells, if you will, to help repair the damage. And they also use those same espresso shot growth factors. And your own cells can also turn into the bricks and mortar, your own stem cells, to replace the needed cells that were damaged. So thanks so much for watching. Just a quick primer on how do orthobiologics work. Have a great day.